And I think while learning anything is a process of getting into more precise, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So basically, what we are going to do here is to make precise movements, not just add say x and y and z restriction, but rather add the exact number. So if we press N and we click this item, we can actually see this x1z, rotation xyz, scale x1z. We need to add that precise number. Okay? So I'm going to show you the shortcut. So for example, the grab, okay? The movement. We want to grab and we want to add a restriction. First, I'm going to add a restriction of x, okay? So that means that I can only move as the x axis, and then if I immediately input certain number, so for example, I want to go say 5, the x, as you can see, will go to 5, okay? And then I can click and confirm, and then x will be exactly at 5, okay? The same goes for minus. So if I grab an x and I want to go back, I push it back, so minus, and then 5. And then you know what? Minus 5, 5 plus 5 and then minus 5, and snap it back to original position, which is 0. So for example, if the original position, grab an x and then minus, I don't know, 3, and then I can enter. Return is just the enter key on your keyboard, and confirm the changes, we go to the minus 3. The same goes for y and z, okay? So what I'm going to do, grab an x and then plus 3. First, get back to original position, grab and say z and go to plus 5. You know what? The z will go to 5, okay? If I want to get it down, grab and z and minus 5, got it back. As simple as that. What about the y position? So grab and y position, I can go say, hey, 10, right? So you know what? 10 and go all the way to here. I can zoom it out. I can rotate so I can see, oh, it's at the positive 10, and click, grab and y and minus 10. Got it back. Okay? As simple as that. So basically, you can use grab, and then you can use x, y, z, and then input number. Then it will snap to that position with that kind of precision, right? You just go back, snap it to exactly the position of that number you entered.